This is your prettiest teacher, Teacher Sue. And if you're watching this, that means I'm not in Taiwan anymore. And like I told you before, I am in, you probably guessed it, the United States of America, the States. And I am in Seattle. And I'm going to ask you when I go back to Taiwan on what is Seattle in Chinese. So right now it is, I'm at a Mexican restaurant and we're going to have lunch together and then I'm going to share with you what we're going to have. 今天的 video 跟之前的 video 会有点不一样，是因为我之前不是跟你们讲说，我的课本那些都放在学校嘛，都是给代课老师，所以你看到的是现在的 video 是我现在去看望我家人的一个 video log, it's a vlog. So I'm going to introduce some of the foods here over this whole video and then hope you guys enjoy it. So look at this very cute pink drink. This is not alcohol, 不是酒，它是下面是 dragon fruit, 上面是汽水 and then it's called a mocktail. Okay. And what is popular for Mexican food is chips. So these are called tortilla chips. And look, they're different colors. Very good, crunchy. And what is also popular is this dip. Guacamole. And what you do is you take the chip, you dip it in the green guacamole. 这个台湾一定没有的哦，我肯定，因为墨西哥菜在台湾不是很 popular. Alright? So, if I have more food, I am going to introduce it to you guys. Alright? Talk to you later. And the entrees are here, meaning 我们的主菜来咯，所以你要看 Teacher Sue 吃全部的东西吗？对，这个是台语的，像是 Mexican pizza 墨西哥类型的 pizza， 然后这个是墨西哥的 taco， 对，有2种不同的肉，然后这个是鲔鱼 tuna， 长这样子，然后这个是我们的 vegetables， 有点烫 ，alright， 所以。等一下我就要来开动咯。This is for dessert and 3 scoops of ice cream with the pretty butterflies. I'm going to blow out the candle.
Did you make a wish? Sweet.
Oh wow.
How is it?
It's very good, but I can't tell what the flavor is. So, are you guys curious about what an American outdoor mall looks like? 小朋友们，你们很好奇美国的 shopping mall 长什么样子吗？其中一个就长得像这样，就是半户外空间。It's an outdoor mall, and then this is one of the Apple stores. And look. A lot of people are in line for the Apple iPhone 16. So take a look at how big the store is compared to Taiwan. 然后你看看这四周围 ，Teacher Sue 会走一圈哦。那你要跟着我哦 ，Come on, come on, come on， 跟着我 ，and see how spacious and roomy this is. 所以你看大家的那个风格都是 very relaxing. And then there are like umbrellas and chairs where people can sit down and have coffee, and then over here too to enjoy. So 这个跟台湾的感觉完全不一样，所以 Teacher Sue 只是想要介绍这个环境给你们认识。Go.
Hi, my name is Orion, and I'm your teacher's nephew, and I've got ice cream here. It's like pineapple flavored, so that's pretty good. And then over here, I've got and it's called ginger ale. It's like a sour drink, and it's made with black currant, which is a type of fruit. So, yeah.
Is it good or not?
Oh, I like it. So it's really good. I come here specifically for these two things.
How much is it? Can you give us how much it costs?
$10.
$10 for?
$10 for the drink, and then also $10 for this. So it's individually
Wow.
about $10.
小朋友们两个都10块钱呢，一个10块，另外一个是10块美金。夸张，我真的不夸张，在美国的分量，我又吓到了。这个面至少可以2人。
你叫日本的话，你要 order 2个人的。
真的是好夸张哦，好大碗，这可以用吃2餐。Salmon poke， 又是一个大碗的，好恐怖的 size。这个是15块9毛5。House tour. So this is the living room. You see my sister in the living room. Hi. And then the dining room. The kitchen. I didn't want to shoot a video last night because it was very dark. And then huge, just huge. See? Oh my God, this is a perfect space if you're doing work and then you walk outside and then this is what you see. Oh, so beautiful. Bathroom. Master bed. Woohoo! Super big. Ouch. Second bedroom. And best thing I love about this place is, look, fireplace. And this is real fire. Don't see that in Taiwan. I hope all of you enjoyed my video. Although I didn't put any English just in it, I hope you enjoy something that is outside the textbooks, okay? Got to show you places where I ate, the malls in America, and then the Apple store, all right? See, in back of me is a fireplace, 火炉，真的火。然后 it's warming up my back because it's very cold here already. So I guess I will see you guys very, very soon. Have a very good weekend. 记得我们下个礼拜有考试哦，不要忘记准备。Teacher Sue 回来的时候我就要改你的考卷了。All right, talk to you later. Bye bye.